Bro, I'm at the car wash, bro. Don't take my thing for some joke out here, dog. Yeah, wash you there. You think I joke? Machine have to get special treatment at the car wash, bro. Special treatment at the car wash now. At the car wash now. At the car wash now. Machine there, car wash you, but what not deal with? Clean down. No joke. Baby been sitting for like 2 months. Like 2 months. Yeah, boy, looking clean right now. Gotta get that. Y'all ain't doing like me, bro. Taking my motorcycle to the fucking car wash, bro. That's what's up. That's what's up, bro. You gonna see what happens later on. Watch this baby, man. The car wash, that's where I'm at. I'm crazy, right? Bumbaclat, yo, damn dad. Woo! See that? Alright, put this in thing, yeah? We outside.